Hey everybody, it's Matt from AI DIY. Today, I just wanted to do a fun music project with creating a song just out of nowhere, just to encourage my daughter to have a go at creating something. We didn't really change the lyrics around or anything like that, but just to show you that you can have a little bit of fun with your kids creating songs. And really just create a big prompt. If they have something they want to do as far as like an idea of a song, it's just cool to show them that they can have an idea, go and create something fun. And then she has her own channel called Streaming Donuts. She hadn't really used it for 2 years, but we've published a song there. So this is the product process. It's a quick process of just creating a song with my daughter and then just releasing it out to the world. Like I said, we didn't do too much with the lyrics, but we had some fun. So I hope you enjoy this. Could be something fun to do with your kids. Have a go. Okay. There we are, writing our first song together. We'll see how this goes. Hang on.
I feel very French with this neck thing. It feels very fancy.
Go here. Okay. Here we go. Your ideas. What are your ideas for song? What kind of songs do you want to make?
So
what do you want to make it about?
Usually, it could be first I thought it could a song could be
come into the camera a little bit more. It's kind of focusing on me.
A song could maybe start off with a beat like this.
No. So the way we got to do the songs, we're not going to worry about the beat and everything for now. What do you want the song to be about?
My first idea is a country man singing about his wife.
What about?
How he loves her.
Yeah.
And how they first met at a bar.
Yeah.
And how his kids are lovely.
Yeah.
And how he thinks his kids are gonna grow up to be a millionaire.
Okay. Countryman singing about his wife, how he loves her, how they first met at a bar. So is he like a country singer, or is he just from the country?
He's just from the country.
Okay. So what sort of music? Is it rock music? Is it country music?
It's kind of
Because country music, you don't typically see country music singers talking about how they wanted their kids to be a millionaire. Usually the country music is about how you want them to love campfires and trucks, right?
Yeah, but your Spotify thing is a bit
Yeah. So it's not that.
Cray.
It's not that. So he's just from the country.
Yeah.
So, and this is one of my serious songs, or is this want to be one of our kind of our funny songs?
Funny song.
Funny songs. Okay. All right. This sounds more like a serious topic, though. So we need to give it a little bit of a funny flair. Like, why is this funny?
Well, maybe I don't know.
It's got to have some reason, because right now it kind of sounds like one of my serious songs from Dagwood Gypsy Lantern, but you want it to be on the Praise Be vinyl label. But right now this feels like a...
Yep.
Ah, yes.
Popcorn has arrived.
Oh, we've got popcorn.
Set him on fire, basically.
Now get the dogs out of here. They're stifling our creative process.
Come on, Nacho, let's go. Nacho, come on. Yum, yum, yum.
Hey, Nacho.
Yum, yum, yum.
Maybe
Mm-hmm.
it could be how the man, city man, is fighting over his wife and try and get her.
Okay. Okay. Yep. You don't have to type anything. I'm typing all that for us.
I know, just in case.
All right. Come on. Gotta be thinking.
Alright. Basically, the city man like starts to lose, and then he gets his tractor.
Gets whose tractor?
His, the
city-
countryman's. Countryman gets his tractor, and he starts rocking out. The lady falls in love with him.
And the lady font. Okay. Okay, and it's gonna end with the city man stealing the countryman's wife
No, the countryman.
and kids.
No, the countryman wins.
So the city man starts to lose, and he gets in the countryman's tractor, starts rocking out, and the lady falls in love with the city man.
Change the city man to the countryman.
Falls back. It sounds like in this case, it sounds like the city man came off a bit desperate. So maybe this is a song about you have to stay true to who you are. That's a good lesson. Yeah. Countryman stayed countryman the whole time. City man came in, tried to show off, came in and tried to mimic the countryman, and the wife just saw through it. Oh. Okay. City man off a bit to when rocking out on the tractor. I think that's plenty to go with. That's a lot to go with to start. What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright, well. Oh. Alright. So this is going to be a funny song. Alright. You want it to be like a rock song?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go to ChatGPT. Okay. Alright, there's a new ChatGPT. Alright, we'll take these lyrics. Let's say, I need, wow, this is a good one. It's a long one. They don't usually write it this long. Man. This is your song, so I'm going to read it to you.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Doing more popcorn chewing than work. I met my darling at a honky-tonk bar. She was shining bright like a country star. We danced all night to the fiddles and the drums. Knew right then and there she was the one. Pre-chorus. We've got 2 kids, the apple of our eyes. They'll be millionaires, not a surprise. Living life simple, with love so true. I got my heart and I got you. In the chorus, city man came trying to take my queen. Thought he'd impress her with the city scene. But love's not fancy, it's strong and pure. With my tractor, I'm secure. Rocking out, stay true. Country heart, I'll win you. Verse 2. City man's desperate, bought a fancy car, thinks he'll win her with his city charm, but my lady loves the fields and stars above, knows that our love is the truest love. Pre-chorus, kids in the yard, running wild and free, future's bright as far as I can see, city man can't change who we are, country hearts, we've come so far. Then the chorus is the same. Bridge. City man on my tractor rocking out loud, trying to steal my love, he's drawing a crowd, but desperate moves, they can't compete with a country love that's oh so sweet. Then it goes the chorus again. Here's the outro, how it ends. So here's the story of a love so strong, where a country heart will always belong. Stay true to yourself, let love be your guide. With a tractor and smile, we ride side by side. You like that?
Yeah.
All right. Well, a lot of times I sort of like how it starts. Then I'll put it into the song thing, and then I'll go like, "Ooh, it doesn't really work," and that's when I'll really start playing with the lyrics. So we'll do that.
Okay.
Go to Suno, so you go custom mode, so you can drop your lyrics, and this is rock, 80s, ballad. Is it LAD? Love song, power ballad. All right. Here's your song here. Ready for it? Okay.
I'm super excited.
They're not always necessarily the first ones that come out the best, but here we go. Yeah. I don't love it.
I agree.
You do?
I don't.
No. No, it doesn't really. You don't really feel it.
Yeah. This one's better.
A little better. I don't like this at all. You agree? Mm-hmm. Create another one. Creates two.
Huh.
I don't love how this one flows either. It might be the lyrics. I don't know.
Oh, it doesn't make sense because it says, you'll hear it.
All right, here we go. This is a country song. Oh.
I feel like it's gonna like build up to it.
Yeah, I feel that too. Okay. I reckon that one that we just did, that's pretty good. So I'm not even going to listen to the next one. So we'll do this one again. We'll see where it ends and we'll extend it.
I met my darling at a honky-tonk bar. She was shining bright like a country star. We danced all night to the fiddles and the drums. Knew right then and there she was the one. We got 2 kids, the apple of our eyes. They'll be millionaires, not a surprise. Living life simple, with love so true. I got my heart and I got you. Sitting there in cage, trying to take my queen. Thought he'd impress her with a city scene, but love's not fancy, it's strong and pure. With my tractor I'm secure, rocking out, staying true. Country heart, I'll win you. City man's desperate, bought a fancy car. Thinks he'll win her with his city charm, but my lady loves the fields and stars above. Knows that our love is the truest love. Kids in the yard, running wild and free. Future's bright as far as I can see. I can see city man can't change who we are. Country hearts, we've come so far. City man came, trying to take my queen. Thought he'd impress her with a city scene, but love's not fancy, it's strong and pure. With my tractor I'm secure, rocking out, staying true. Country heart, I'll win you. Sitting there on my tractor, rocking out loud, trying to steal my love, he's drawing a crowd. The desperate moves, they can't compete with a country love that's so, so sweet. City man came trying to take my queen. Thought he'd impress her with the city scene, but love's not fancy, it's strong and pure. With my tractor I'm secure.
There you go. You all happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, that's it. Oh. We'll just cut the outro out, okay? How's that sound?
Yeah.
That's lame how it did that. All right, we'll download that. We'll finish on the chorus.
Can we show Mom?
Yep.
I'll go get her.
Okay. And that's that. We'll do that. And the next part will be, I'll upload it, and that's it. You happy with that song?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.